Mars. Hi! Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Teacher Nadia and I'm from Sekolah Menengah Sains Sheh Shahabudin, Pulau Pinang. For today, we're going to learn about Chapter 10, Space Exploration. I'm sure that all of you have heard about the solar system and also the song that I just sang just now. But before that, let me ask you one question. Have you ever wondered how can the model of the solar system be improved from time to time?
Before we start, let us look at the learning outcome for today. At the end of today's lesson, students are expected to be able to explain the historical development of the solar system model by drawing.
So now, let us explore the development in astronomy in subtopic 10.1. First, look at the definition of astronomy. Astronomy is a science field that studies the universe as well as the objects within it, such as planets, moons, stars, and galaxies. In this subtopic, we will learn about the historical development of the solar system model. Greek astronomers are one of the earliest to study objects in outer space. They claim that the Earth is spherical and have done several attempts to measure its size. Before the modern solar system was built, there are various explanations and models about the universe being presented by ancient astronomers, and it changes over time. These are the three top astronomers who contributes a lot in the history of the solar system model. They are Ptolemy, Nicholas Copernicus, and also Johannes Kepler. These three great astronomers have their own ideas which contributes to the solar system model that we use today. Now, let us travel in the time machine to meet these three great astronomers. Hello, sir.
Well, hello.
My name is Teacher Nadia. My students and I would love to know about the model that you have built. Do you mind sharing with us?
Sure. I am Ptolemy. I'm a Greek astronomer, astrologer, and geographer. I built the geocentric model with Earth at the center and circular orbits.
Wow, that's great!
Would you like to have a look at my model?
Sure, sir.
This is my model. It is called geocentric. Geo means Earth and centric means center. Earth is at the center of the solar system. Earth is stationary and all the objects such as the Sun and other planets revolve around Earth in circular orbits.
Okay students, can you see the difference between this model with the model that we use today? Yes, in this model, the Earth is at the center of the solar system. Thank you sir for sharing with us. Hope to see you again. Bye-bye.
Ptolemy's discovery geocentric model. Ptolemy developed this idea through observation and in mathematical detail. Based on observations he made with his naked eye, Ptolemy saw the universe as a set of nested, transparent spheres with Earth in the center. He posited that the Moon, Mercury, Venus, and the Sun all revolve around Earth. This idea of the universe did not fit exactly with all the Ptolemy's observations. He was aware that the size, motion, and brightness of the planets varied. So he incorporated Hipparchus' notion of epicycles, put forth a few centuries earlier, to work out his calculations. Epicycles were small circular orbits around imaginary centers on which the planets were said to move while making a revolution around the Earth. By using Ptolemy's tables, astronomers could accurately predict eclipses and the positions of planets. Because real visible events in the sky seemed to confirm the truth of Ptolemy's views, his ideas were accepted for centuries.
Okay students, so we have looked at how Sir Ptolemy started his idea and built his own model. So now let us travel to 1473 and meet with Sir Copernicus, our next astronomer. Hello Sir Copernicus.
Well, hello.
My name is Teacher Nadia. My students and I would like to know about the history of your solar system model. Do you mind telling us a little bit about yourself and also the model that you have built?
Sure. Well, I am Copernicus. I am a Polish astronomer, mathematician, economist, and doctor. I built the heliocentric model with the Sun at the center and circular orbits. Helio means the Sun, centric means center. I certainly think that the Sun is at the center of the solar system. Earth rotates on its axis and revolves around the Sun in a circular orbits.
Wow, thank you sir for sharing. Hope to see you again. Bye-bye.
Copernicus' discovery, heliocentric model. First, the center of the Earth is not the center of the universe, only of Earth's gravity and of the lunar sphere. Secondly, the Sun is fixed and all other spheres revolve around the Sun. Copernicus retained the idea of spheres and of perfectly circular orbits. In fact, the orbits are elliptical, which the German astronomer Johannes Kepler demonstrated in 1609. Third, Earth has more than one motion, turning on its axis and moving in a spherical orbit around the Sun. Fourth, the stars are fixed but appear to move because of the Earth's motion.
Okay students, so we have looked at two different solar system models. One from Sir Ptolemy and then the second one is from Sir Copernicus. I'm sure that all of you can detect the difference between these two models, right? For Ptolemy's model, the Earth is at the center of the solar system, while for Copernicus' model, the Sun is at the center of the solar system model. So now, let us travel to 1571 and meet with Sir Johannes Kepler, our last astronomer. Let's go! Hello Sir Kepler, my name is Nadia and I'm from year 2021. My students and I would love to know about the history of your solar system model.
Well, sure. I am Kepler. I am a German astronomer, mathematician, and astrologer. I modified the heliocentric model with the Sun at one common focal point on the elliptical orbits of the planets according to Kepler's law.
Well, thank you sir for your time. Hope to see you again. Bye-bye. At the time, Kepler noticed that the planets moved faster as they were closer to the Sun. Kepler's law originated from observations of the solar system, but Newton's great achievement was to establish that they follow mathematically from his law of universal gravitation and his law of motion. Okay students, so we have looked and heard about the history and also the development of each model from time to time. So we have geocentric model, heliocentric model, and also modified heliocentric model. Okay students, so we have completed our lesson for today for subtopic 10.1, which is the development in astronomy. I'm sure that all of you will be able to explain the historical development of the solar system model by drawing. also the differences between the three models. Now we're going to compare between Ptolemy's and Copernicus model and also Copernicus and Kepler's model. For the first comparison, the similarities between Ptolemy's and Copernicus model is both of the model have circular orbits. While for the difference between Ptolemy's and Copernicus model, you can see that for Ptolemy's model, the Earth is at the center of the solar system. While for Copernicus model, the Sun is at the center of the solar system model. The second comparison is between Copernicus and also Kepler's model. The definite similarities is both of the model have the Sun at the center of the solar system. But for the difference between these two models, for Copernicus model, we can see that all the planets revolve around the Sun in circular orbit. While for Kepler's model, you can see that all of the planets revolve around the Sun in elliptical orbits. So I hope that all of you can observe carefully and briefly to compare and contrast the three models produced by Ptolemy, Copernicus and also Kepler's. Okay, thank you for watching. I wish all of you happy learning and see you next time. Bye. Assalamualaikum.